Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to make creative stone art. This is a fun and easy DIY project that you can do with just a few simple materials. So let's get started. Materials needed: 1. Smooth stones of various shapes and sizes. 2. Acrylic paint in assorted colors. 3. Paintbrushes. 4. Clear sealant spray. 5. Optional dot markers, glitter, or other embellishments. Step 1. Select your stones. Start by selecting a variety of smooth stones in different shapes and sizes. You can find these at your local craft store or even collect them from nature. Step 2. Paint your stones. Using acrylic paint, start painting your stones with different designs and patterns. Get creative and experiment with different colors and techniques. You can also use markers or add glitter for extra flair. Step 3. Let the paint dry. Allow the paint to dry completely before moving on to the next step. This may take a few hours depending on the thickness of the paint. Step 4. Seal your stones. Once the paint is dry, seal your stones with a clear sealant spray to protect the artwork and give it a nice finish. This will also help the colors stay vibrant over time. Step 5. Display your artwork. Now that your stones are painted and sealed, you can display them in your home or garden. Arrange them in a decorative bowl, use them as paperweights, or even create a rock garden in your yard. Garden in your yard. Conclusion. And there you have it, a fun and creative way to make stone art. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and feel inspired to try it out for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY projects and creative ideas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.